Welcome to the fascinating world of UDG clean energy. UDG stands for Ultra Deep Geothermal Energy. This animation shows how we collect everlasting geo heat from the deep earth. It all starts with drilling. After the drilling rig is installed, we start with drilling a wide shaft, up to radius of 3.6 meter wide. This wide shaft has various functions that are important for the total well construction. The wide shaft is drilled to a depth of maximum 1 kilometer. Firstly, it is used to concentrate the multiple UDG production wells at the top. Secondly, to secure that drinking water reserves are safe and closed off. Thirdly, the wide shaft secures the stability and good insulation of the total well construction. The wide shaft is traditionally cased with metal casing that also holds the metal dividers to separate the multiple UDG production wells. And at the bottom, you see the metal piping that will direct the drilling strings into the correct underground positions. The wide shaft is then prepared with metal pipes up to 1 kilometer to stabilize the UDG production wells. The pipes are open at the bottom to allow the drilling strings to enter and start drilling. The wide shaft will be fully filled with concrete at completion. With our specialized drilling while casing technology, we drill in one diameter from 1 kilometer down to 350 Celsius degrees, if necessary down to 10 kilometers depths. If 350 Celsius degrees is available already less deep, then there is no need to drill to 10 kilometers. We will reach the required geothermal heat of 350 Celsius degrees between the 30 and 60 days of drilling, depending on the local circumstances. We drill and case with specialized concrete at the same time, which contributes greatly to the reduction of the total production time of our UDG production wells. By using a drilling bit that can drill in 2 directions, the inside of the concrete casing is smoothed when the drilling string is pulled up, and we are ready for the following phase. Depending on the capacity of the UDG power plant, we drill in this way 6 to 12 production wells per wide shaft. We take great care that the multiple production wells are positioned in a way that they can extract underground heat in an optimal way without drinking each other's cup. The radius between the bottom points of the UDG production wells is 1.6 kilometers. Each UDG production well is then filled with a double-walled metal pipe, the UDG sting exchanger, right down to the bottom. That completes the drilling activity and starts the construction at ground level. Drilling rig is removed and prepared for its next job. The total underground construction is ready, and the construction of the wellhead is finalized. The UDG production wells are a closed circuit that is filled with water and under pressure pushed down in order to heat up to 350 Celsius degrees. Through the open inner pipe of the metal UDG sting exchanger, the hot fluid will circulate back to the surface to deliver its heat at 320 Celsius degrees. This process of heating up and delivering the heat to the surface is repeated continuously, day and night, all days of the year, and this is the reason why UDG energy can produce large quantities of fully green energy with the sustainable use of earth heat power. The construction of the UDG factory on ground level is now started, and the piping is connected to the wellhead. The warm working fluid is guided to the heat exchangers in the power factory to extract the heat at 320 Celsius degrees. It is then used in the second closed production circuit. The working fluid from the primary production circuit is leaded back at approximately 90 Celsius degrees to the underground system. The now heated working fluid of the second closed circuit is used to power the steam turbines that generate emission-free electricity. The green electricity can be put on the grid through the transformers, and the working fluid of circuit 2 at that moment is still 160 Celsius degrees. It can be used with other generators to produce again electricity, or can be used in central heating systems of cities or industries. Oregon, as shown, can be cooled down before used again to be heated up through the heat exchangers in the UDG power factory. The total estimated construction time of a turnkey UDG power factory of 30 megawatts is 1.5 years, after receipt of all required licenses and permits. An UDG power factory is very efficient. 30 megawatts produces per day 700 megawatt hours, and on a yearly basis 260,000 megawatt hours, enough for approximately 60,000 households.